You are welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you'll be able to unstake your NPRO. That is for every one of us that was just actually staked it to get NPRO. And after that, NPRO was actually listed, and it was listed at it was not even up to $1. And because of that, I've been actually unstake my NPRO because it is not actually a worthy investment, which I have actually done a particular video. We are close to reaching our 4,000 subscribers. Please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to enter upload another. Help us in hitting our 4,000 rush hour before the end of this particular month. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community, it is free of charge. I'm dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So you need to watch my previous video where I actually claim my NPRO and actually unstake my NPRO, which I'll be dropping in the description of this particular video. Then before that, let me quickly show you something, because a lot of people in my community, and also I've been seeing a lot of people say I want to take my NPRO, but I'm not seeing my NPRO. My NPRO is not showing. I myself, you can see my NPRO is not actually showing, because I actually staked 3 NPRO, and here you could see that I have 0.7, which was not my NPRO. So I will show you the second step. So let me quickly show you what the NPRO protocol team actually posted on their X account. So in one of the NPRO posts, look at what this person actually said. Let me quickly share it with you so that a lot of people should not actually get scam on anybody who is telling you that I will help you to claim your NPRO. Look at this person. Say, I have unstaked my NPRO, but it is in pending release situation. When my NPRO coin will be in my wallet again? Look at the NPRO reply. Say, this is normal. It takes 30 hours to unstake. Do not DM anyone. It may be scam. You see, that meaning it has to take 30 hours before your NPRO will be able to be released. And after it is released, there's one more thing you need to do, which I'll be showing you right now in this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to find I will upload another video. So let's go to my NPRO and let me show you the last phase which you need to do now. So now this is my NPRO wallet. If I come to this particular aspect that has to do with earning, let me come to earning. Now let me allow it to load. You could see now let me show you something now really quick. Now you can see now mine has actually left pending release. Now it is now in available for withdrawal. So what I just need to do is to tap on this particular withdrawal. Let me tap on it. The drawer is telling me this is current value. Something 3 million that actually worth over $10 plus now is actually worth in 4.59. Then I'll have to tap on continue. So you tap on this particular, then you tap on code so for it to be highlighted, for the continue icon to be highlighted, then you tap on continue. It will still actually, these people are funny, everything is actually having fees, so it will still call you some certain fees which I have. So let me tap on continue. Okay, so what you need to do is that you need to let them know the amount. So I'll be using max. Yes, everything. I want to remove everything, so I'll tap on continue. Yes, I'll tap on confirm and continue. Let me put my security and let me wait for it now. So now look at it now. It said your transaction has been completed successfully. Then I'll just have to tap on done. Let me see if my NPRO has actually arrived. Then let me come back to the aspect of okay, it has even arrived. You can see now it is now 3.7 NPRO. So let me go back to this your wallet. You can see now that my balance has actually increased. So let me just do this one for anyone that actually needs now. If you want to now send your NPRO out, you can just now tap on this particular send. You tap on this send, maybe to Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, anything. Then you put it here. Then you put the assets there. Let me say Max. Then you put the wallet address here, and just so I'm not selling I want to keep it in my NPRO wallet here. So kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so you're going to enter upload another video. Thank you and bye bye for now.